What is the difference between WebHost Manager and cPanel? This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager. Now let's learn what the difference is between WHM and cPanel. WHM is a reseller's or hosting provider's control panel. It is what resellers or hosting providers use to create and manage end-user hosting accounts. cPanel, on the other hand, is the end-user's control panel. It is what hosting providers' customers use to manage their individual hosting accounts. We are currently logged into WHM, so let's go take a look at our list of hosting accounts. Click the Account Information link. Then click the List Accounts link. Here is a list of the accounts in this WHM. Once again, each of these accounts have their own individual cPanel, and we can log into their cPanel by clicking the corresponding link. Let's log into the cPanel for demoreseller.com. That's it. As you can see here, we're now in the cPanel control panel for the demoreseller.com hosting account. WHM admins have the ability to log into their customers' cPanel control panels without their username or password. This can be useful in helping customers learn how to use their cPanel. Okay, now let's close this window and return to WHM. Welcome back to WHM, WebHost Manager. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know the difference between cPanel, End User's Control Panel, and WHM, Hosting Provider's Control Panel.